Hello everyone! To make a Rakhi, you need to have a straw or an empty refill of medium size and a big thick needle. Now fix them together using a tape. So our DIY tool is ready. Now we need to cut some triangular strips of paper. These are the measurements. Here the first half of the triangle is from one shape and another is from the other one, as we need a longer triangle. Now take your tool and hold the base of the triangle, that the widest edge, and slide it down between the straw and the needle and start rolling it. Try to roll in the center of the strip as much as possible. Now attach the second half of the triangle. As you can see, the width of the paper strips keep reducing as you go on rolling it. The longer the strips, the rounder will be the bead. And thus our paper bead is ready. Similarly, you can make some more. And now paint the beads and let it dry. Now take a strip of cloth approx 5 by 45 centimeters. Fold it into half and do the hem stitch. After making 2 to 3 knots, try to flatten it like a flower. Now take a thread which are used in puja, also known as Mauli or Raksha Sutra. Apply fabric glue and roll it in form of spiral. Now take some grains of rice and make a swastik on top of it. Let it dry. Now take the same thread and pass a needle through it. Similarly, take 2 more strands of thread. Hold all the 4 strands together and make a knot. Pass through the paper bead. And start making knots as usually done to make friendship bands. Take the right string over the center string and make a loop. Now take the left one on top of the right string and pass it through behind the center string and then through the loop. And now tighten the knot and repeat the process. After adding 2 beads, take the flower we made and pass the thread through it. Now repeat the same knots on this side too. At the end, hold all the 4 strands together and make a knot. Now, cut the extra strands from both the sides. And our Rakhi is almost ready after a final touch. Similarly, I have made some more Rakhis using pulses. As you can see, all the things used in making these Rakhis are easily available at home. These Rakhis are plastic free and handmade with love. And we are done. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. I will be back soon. Till then, keep bringing your imagination into being.